Welcome to Pharmanet. Today we will discuss paracetamol or acetaminophen. If you haven't subscribed our channel, kindly subscribe our channel, share our videos. Previously I have made video on general anesthetic as well as local anesthetic. In general anesthetic I have made video on sevoflurane, isoflurane, ketamine, propofol. Whereas in general anesthetics I have whereas in local anesthetic I have made video on bupivacaine and lidocaine. You can also check them out. So let's begin our today's video. My name is Dr. Muhammad Alhamiraj. These are my contact details. Generic name acetaminophen according to the United States adopted name, paracetamol according to the international non-proprietary names. Both names are derived from the chemical name of paracetamol. The chemical name from which these are derived are para-acetyl-aminophenol. The other chemical name of paracetamol is 4-acetamidophenol. This is the chemical structure of acetaminophen. Molecular weight C8H9NO2. Molecular formula C8H9NO2. Molecular weight 151.616 gram per mole. Drug category analgesic. Acetaminophen is commonly used as analgesic and first-line therapy drug in pain, and it is recommended by World Health Organization. Acetaminophen is used because of its antipyretic effect and help in reducing fever. It was approved by FDA in 1951. It is available in syrup form, tablet form, effervescence tablet form, injection form, suppository form, and other forms. It has more than 600 combinations with other drugs. For example, paracetamol and ofenadine is one combination, paracetamol and caffeine is other combination. So similarly there are more than 600 combinations of paracetamol. It is used in allergic medications, cold medication, sleeping medication, and other pain reliever products. Paracetamol is available in drops, suspension, and sachet, tablets, and injection form. Paracetamol. The pharmacology of paracetamol. Acetaminophen is an aminophenol derivative with analgesic and antipyretic effects. Although the exact mechanism through which the acetaminophen exerts the effect has yet to be determined, acetaminophen may inhibit the nitric oxide pathway mediated by a variety of neurotransmitter receptors including N-methyl D-aspartate or NDMA and substance P, resulting in the elevation of the pain threshold. The antipyretic activity may result from inhibition of prostaglandin synthesis and release in the central nervous system and prostaglandin mediated effects on the heat regulating center in the anterior hypothalamus. Mechanism of action. Act on hypothalamus to produce antipyresis. May work peripherally to block pain impulse generation. May also inhibit prostaglandin synthesis in CNS. Absorption. Acetaminophen has 88% oral bioavailability and reach its highest plasma concentration in 90 minutes after injection. Peak plasma time 10 to 60 minutes in immediate release tablets, 1 hour to 2 hours in extended release, and in conventional 6 hours. Whereas in extended release tablet of 560 mg, it is 8 hours. Peak plasma concentration is 2.1 microgram per ml per oral after 500 mg in conventional tablets and 1.8 microgram per ml in per oral 650 mg extended release tablets. Onset of action is 1 hour. It is widely distributed throughout the body except in fat tissues. Protein bound 10 to 25%. Metabolism metabolism in liver microsomal enzyme system conjugation with glucuronic acid and sulfuric acid. Metabolites N-acetyl parabenzoquinone amine and N-acetyl imidoquinone further metabolize via conjugation with glutathione. Excretion principally through urine. Less than 5% is excreted in free form and 90% of administered drug is excreted within 24 hours. Route of elimination urine, volume of distribution 0.9 liter per kg. Clearance in adult 0.27 liter per hour per kg. In children 0.34 liter per hour per kg. Biological half-life 1.25 to 3 hours in adolescent, 2.2 to 5 hours in children, 4 hours in infants, 7 hours in neonates and 2 to 3 hours in adults. Indication: analgesia and fever. Service level category: primary, secondary and tertiary hospitals. It is available in both over-the-counter and prescription medicines. The prescription medicines are available when paracetamol is combined with opioid analgesics. More than 600 fixed dose combination of paracetamols are available in all over the world. Dosage: adult. Immediate release 325 to 650 per oral after every 4 hours, and dose should not be exceeded 3250 mg per day. Under the supervision of health care professional, the dose should be less than 4 gram per day or up to 4 gram per day. 1000 mg per oral after every 6 to 8 hours depending upon the need, and dose should not exceed 3000 mg per day under the supervision of medical health care professional 4 gram per day. Maximum dose: the cumulative dose is 3.25 gram per day, and under the the healthcare professional dose up to 4 gram per day. Extra strength dose should not exceed 3 gram per day. In pediatrics, pain and fever relief, weight burst dosing, oral solution 2 to 28 to 31 weeks of gestation, 10 mg to 15 mg per kg per dose after every 12 hours, and the maximum dose should not exceed 40 mg per kg per day, and the initial loading dose is 20 mg per kg. From 32 to 37 gestation weeks, the maintenance dose and the initial loading dose is same, but the maximum dose should not exceed 60 mg per kg per day. Similarly, the maintenance dose and initial loading dose is similar of previous one, that is 10 mg to 15 mg per kg per day, and initial dose is 20 mg per kg. From neonatal 9 to 1 day to 9 days old, and dose should not exceed 60 mg per kg per day after every 4 to 6 hours. From 10 to 19, similar dose, but the interval can be adjusted from 4 hours to 8 hours, and maximum dose or the dose should not exceed 90 mg per kg per day. In infants, similar dose 10 to 15 mg per kg, but per oral, and dose can be given after every 4 to 6 hours depending upon the need, and dose should not be exceeded 15 mg per kg per day per dose and 75 mg per kg per day. From in children and adolescents having weight less than 60 kg, 10 mg to 15 mg per kg per dose after every 4 to 6 hours, and dose should not exceed 15 mg per kg per dose or 1000 mg per dose, which is less than 75 mg per kg per day. In adults for infusion, it can be combined with different opioid analgesic to counter to counter the pain, which is from mild to moderate or moderate to severe level. It can be given with opioid analgesic, also indicated for the reduction of fever. 50 kg. If the patient weight is less than 50 kg, then 12.5 mg per kg IV after every 4 hours, or 15 mg per kg of IV after every 6 hours. Dose should not exceed 750 mg per kg or 3.75 gram per day. Weight is equal or more than 50 kg, then 650 mg IV after every 4 hours or 1000 mg IV after every 6 hours. Dose should not exceed 4 grams per day. Infuse IV over at least 15 minutes. The pediatric For the pediatric patients, the dose in pain, if patient is less than 2 years, then safety and efficacy is not established. If 2 to 12 years, 12.5 mg per kg IV after every 4 hours or 15 mg per kg IV after every 6 hours, and dose should not exceed 75 mg per kg per day. Patient age is more than 13 years or equal to 13 years, and patient weight is less than 50 kg, so 12.5 mg per kg IV after every 4 hours or 15 mg per kg IV after every 6 hours. Dose should not exceed 750 mg per day or 3.5 gram per day. If patient weight is 50 kg or more than 50 kg, then 650 mg IV after every 4 hours or 1000 mg IV after every 6 hours, and dose should not exceed 4 gram per day. Similar is the case with fever. Administration. IV administration. 1 gram dose insert in a vent IV set through sputum of 100 ml vial may be administered without further dilution. Dose more than 1 gram using septic. Dose less than 1 gram using aseptic techniques. Withdraw the appropriate dose 650 mg or weight waste from the intact seal of vial and place in a measuring dose to separate empty sterile container to avoid inadvertent delivery and administration of the total volume of commercially available container. Place volume based pediatric up to 60 ml in volume in a syringe and administer over 15 minutes. Administration. Vial is for single use. Discard any unused portion. Administer by IV infusion over 15 minutes. Dosing consideration. When calculating the maximum daily dose, consider all sources of acetaminophen including OTC and route of administration not to be exceed the maximum recommended daily dose. If the GFR value is more than 50 or equal to 50 ml per minute, no dosage adjustment is required. If it is range between 10 to 50 ml per minute, administer 60 administer after every 6 hours. GFR value less than 10 ml per minute, administer after every 8 hours. Continuous renal replacement therapy, administer after every 6 hours. Hepatic impairment, use caution, use extreme caution, avoid juice as much as possible, limit to the therapy of short-term use at doses does not exceed 2 grams. This is in case of hepatic impairment or a patient suffering from hepatic injury. Incompatibility, IV incompatibility, additive syringe and biocides are chloropromazine and diazepam. Stability 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Contraindication, hypersensitivity, severe active liver disease. Precautions, the acetaminophen available in many dose form or products. Check label carefully to avoid overdose. Use with caution in the patients with hepatic impairment or active liver disease. Limit the acetaminophen dose from all sources to the root of less than 4 grams per day in adults. Toxicity. Toxic dose 4 grams per day in humans, chronic 3 to 7 days. Adult 7.5 to 10 grams acute. 150 mg per kg in children's and 200 mg per kg in healthy children aged 1 year to 6 years. LD50 15 grams to 20 grams in human. N-acetyl parabenzoquinone amine is a toxic compound result from paracetamol metabolism. NAPQI become toxic when glutathione is depleted by an overdose of acetaminophen. Glutathione is an essential antidote to overdose. The antidote acetylcysteine, which is replenish the liver supply of glutathione, allowing the NAPQ to metabolize safely. Toxicity sign asymptomatic till 24 hours. Tachycardia, upper right quadrant, abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting, jaundice. Antidote acetylcysteine, loading dose 140 mg per kg, 17 dose of 70 mg per kg given after every 4 hours. Total treatment duration 72 hours. Pregnancy category C. So you can use it, but it may cause with asthma in early childhood associated with maternal use of drug in pregnancy. Lactation. It is safe if the relative infant dose is less than 10% and avoid breastfeeding if the relative infant dose increases more than 25%. Interactions. There are total 116 interactions with paracetamol, 8 major, 7 moderate, 73 moderate, 35 minor interactions. Sodium nitrite, prelocaine, and leflunomide are the examples. 3 disease interactions: alcoholism, liver disease, and phenylketonuria. Adverse effects: angioedema, hyperammonia, gastrointestinal hemorrhage, hepatotoxicity, liver failure, nephrotoxicity, Stevens-Johnson syndrome. Brand names are Panadol, Calpol, and Provaz. All this Information is collected from FDA, PubChem, Medscape, drugs.com and PharmaGuide. If you like our video, kindly subscribe our channel and comment on this video and share and also share this video.